Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys. Okay, all right. You guys have completed the study task. You executed or not? Executed? You guys are bring the laptops? But why you guys are saying executed? Yes, those are not executed. It is success and country and radio button, checkbox and start free trial. It is success. Boys, what about boys? Huh? Country. What about remaining? Only country success. What about checkbox? How you guys are able to complete that one checkbox or that one? Tell me. Driver dot. Sorry. And after that, I didn't get the point. What is the first step? Before that one, something you need to drop down. Country term. Yeah, tell me that one. Many country. Okay. Value. You are talking about value. Okay. First of all, we need to get the locator, country locator, driver dot find element by dot name, some value. Okay, the complete locator you guys provide inside of the web element, and after that you need to provide select object. Inside of the select, you need to call the whatever you created drop down variable name, and after that you need to provide. After that, yeah, whatever you created, select method object slc obj or something dot select by visible text and select by value, okay, or select by index. It is clear? Is it clear or not? Okay, all right. And coming to the checkbox, and if you want to do the checkbox, just you need to take the locator. Once you guys are take the locator, that is, you people are able to take ID or name. Checkbox, I think name is there. ID. Okay, ID is working. Okay. Yeah, ID is working. You people are able to take that ID. Okay. That is we discuss yesterday. This is the application. Online guys, my screen is visible. Now it is visible. This is the application. In this application, actually, I forget the password. I click on reset button. I click on reset button. Then it should be displayed one pop-up. I want to click on OK or I want to click on cancel. Is it clear? This is step number 1. Step number 2, I need to click on reset button. Once I click on reset button, I need to enter the email, recovery email, and click on OK. Again, that is invalid. It should be displayed. One more pop-up. Just I want to click on OK. Clear? This is step number 2. Step number 3. I want to get the data. I want to get the data. It is visible or not? Not visible. Now okay. Now okay. Step number 3. Click on the reset. Once you guys are click on the reset, you need to get the text. You need to get the text. Yeah, just a minute online guys. Now it is audible. Guys, now online guys. Online guys. Okay. Okay, all right guys. See, step number 3, I want to click on the reset. Once I click on the reset, I want to get the text. I want to get the text. See, once I get the text, I want to click on the OK. This is the 3 steps I need to do. First step, I want to click on reset, click on OK, or click on cancel. That's it. Second step, I want to click on the reset, enter the data that is not a valid, then it should be displayed one more pop-up. Click on OK. I want to handle this pop-up and click on OK. The next one, I want to click on reset. In this time, I want to get the pop-up text. I want to get the pop-up text. After getting the pop-up text, I want to click on OK. I want to click on OK. See, you guys are able to understand the manual flow. You are able to understand manual flow. Online. Online. Is it clear? Online guys, it is clear or not? See how to handle the alerts. That is the heading. How to handle the alerts. If you want to handle the alerts, first of all, you need to click on reset. We have two options is there, okay or cancel. You can use okay or cancel, that is your wish. Okay, see, this is the step number one. Step number two, I want to enter email. I want to enter the email. Once I enter the email, I click on OK. This is invalid. I am able to get one more pop-up. See, I got a one more pop-up. I want to click on OK. Once I click on OK, it will be closed. This is step number two. Step number three, I want to get the text from the alert box. This text I want to print in my console. This text I want to print my console. And after that, I click on OK. This is I need to do. Now it is clear, Meena. Now it is clear, Meena. You are able to understand. All right. Thank you. This is I need to automate. Okay. See. Is multiple is pending. Is multiple I will explain later. Okay. Is multiple I will explain later. See guys. Now you guys are observe. If you want to automate that application, I want to click on OK. If I want to click on OK, what is the process? If I want to click on OK, what is the process? Sorry? Click OK. How you can write the code? That is I am asking. If you want to click on sign in button, some process is there. Same like if you want to click on log OK button, what is that process? Driver dot. Okay, if you want to do the driver dot find element, what we need to do before? Inspect. Okay, see, right click. Where is the inspect? Okay. 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 We are unable to inspect the alerts. Why? Because the alerts is completely JavaScript executor. The developer developed the custom alert by using JavaScript executor. If you want to handle the alerts, we have one method is there. So what is that method?
See, I want to click on OK. If I want to click on OK, if you want to click on OK, the OK is available. Where is it is available? Inside of the alert. Okay. The complete application is there in this tab. In this tab. Okay. This is what we are going to do. This is one driver. We are going to call driver. Okay. See, after that, this is alert. I am here. I need to switch to alert. Okay. So if you click on OK, we need to use accept driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. This is the method. And if you want to click on cancel, driver dot switch to dot alert to dot dismiss. If you want to send the data in alert box, what is the process? Get the locator, okay, and send the send keys. So if you want to do that one, alert dot send keys, alert dot send keys. You guys are provide send keys here. Okay. See the alert send keys. You guys are observe manually whatever you enter the data is visible. The data is visible. If you want to send the data through code, the data is not visible. The data is not visible. So if you want to do that one, this is the process. And if you want to do the get the text, if you want to get the text, now we need to use get text method. Get text method. This is the process. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Now I will write the code. First of all, ABS 9. Click on the class. See guys, now WebDriver, driver, public void, launch AUT, system.set property, WebDriver dot we need to provide the location of the driver. Just you need to put the copyist path. And here we need to provide driver equals to Chrome driver dot get URL driver dot manage dot window dot maximi. And after that, I will provide, let's wait some time. And in public area, I will provide string URL equals to just I need to provide URL. Once you guys are provide the URL, that URL we need to call here and import the web driver, import the Chrome driver, add throws public void click OK. Click OK. If I want to click on the alert, first of all, what I need to do? Click on. So right click on here, inspect. Anything is there here? What is the locator? That is not a locator. No, that is not a total. How many locators is there? First one, second one, third one, which is suitable here? Huh? Which is suitable here? Waste. Huh? Huh? Driver dot find element by dot link text. By dot link text. What is the link text here? Reset dot click dot click. Okay, let's wait some time. 3 dot sleep. Once you guys are provide, see guys, you guys are observe. What is this one? Link. These are all link text. Okay, when I provide the link, when I put the cursor on the link, that is highlighted. That is highlighted. So link text. And after that, what we need to do? Driver dot. I need to click on the reset. Okay, switch to dot next alert dot x. Naresh IT will provide one more mouse. Okay, clear? The next one, let's wait some time. 3 dot sleep. And after that, we need to do one more click. Got it? This is accept related. I want to do one more click. I need to send the data. Public void. Okay, if you want to write a cancel, Just as it is, you need to provide here. But here you need to remove dismiss. అనుకుంటా కూర్చోండి. Just you guys are observe here, public void and send data. Send data. If I want to send the data, first of all, I want to click on reset. Once I click on the reset, I will provide the way. And after that, I want to send the data. If I want to send the data, driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys, not add. Send keys. Just I need to send the key here. Once I send the data, let's wait some time. 3 dot sleep. What I need to do once I send the data, I want to click on OK. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. So that is invalid. One more time it should be displayed, one more pop-up. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot accept. That's it. See guys, click on reset, send the data, click on OK. Error, this is invalid email ID. And again I want to click on OK. Okay, clear? It is clear. 57. Oh, sorry, I forget. This is also mistake, yaar. Okay. Okay, done. What next? Public void. Public void get a text. So if I want to do the get a text, first I need to do the click on reset. Driver switch. Driver dot switch dot alert to dot get a text. Just I want to get the. So if I want to print this text in my console, what I need to do? I want to print the text in my console. If I want to print text in my console, what I need to do? Scanner. String data system.out.println data. Okay, finally, I will provide here. I get the text, I print the text. After that, I need to close the alert. Okay, so now I need to create obj constructor obj.launch obj dot click on OK, obj dot cancel, obj dot send, obj dot clear. Any doubt? Online and offline. Huh? Get text. Question. What is the question? If I want to get the text, which text? In alert box text. If I want to get the text in my console, I need to use drive or switch to alert get text. Okay. So I am able to print the text in my console. Is it clear or not? So you guys are observe. Right click. Launch the browser. Enter the URL. Maximize the active window. Click on reset. Click on OK. Click on reset. Click on cancel. Click on reset. Send the data. Click on OK. Invalid. Invalid. Click on OK. Get the text. Click on OK. అయిపోయిందా? Done? It is done. So we are expecting the text in console. Yes, it is mandatory create the different methods. Why? Because the method will explain clearly application flow related information. The method will explain clearly application flow related information. Definitely you need to create a different method. You no need to write. You no need to write all the data within the one method or two methods. So this is the launch related information. This is the click on OK related. This is the cancel related, send data related, text related. So it is clear every method. If you want to write a complete code within the one method, you guys are getting little bit confused. So everything you need to write. Kiran, listen. This is the launch method. This is the click on reset, click on OK. This is the click on reset, click on cancel. This is the click on OK. Once click on OK, send the data. Once click on OK, send the data. Once I send the data, I want to click on OK. Then it should be displayed invalid. Once it should be displayed invalid, again I want to click on OK. Okay. And after that, this is how to get the alert to text. How to get the alert text. Is it clear or not? Kiran is clear. All right. Okay, notes. What is the pending? Select. Able to understand or not? If you have a doubt, tell me. Definitely, I will explain one more time. You are unable to understand. Please tell me. I will explain one more time. Clear? Shall I explain? Shall I explain? Guys, online and online and offline, you guys are able to understand. Yeah, what is the last heading? Select. Yeah. B or or how to handle the drop down. Select beside or how to handle the drop down. Yeah, write down. Drop down. If you want to handle the drop down, if you want to handle the drop down, first of all, we need to validate. If you want to handle the drop down, first of all, we need to validate that is drop down or not. That is drop down or not. If it is drop down, if it is drop down, we need to get the locator. If it is drop down, if it is drop down, we need to get the locator. Get the locator. That locator, that locator, we need to store. We need to get the locator. That locator, we need to store inside of one variable. Inside of one variable. Full stop. Next line. Before handle the drop down, before handle the drop down, we need to create a what? We need to create a object for select method. We need to create a object for select method. We need to create a object for select method. Next line. Inside of the select method, inside of the select method, what? We need to call the inside of the select method, we need to call the drop down object. We need to call the drop down object. We need to call the drop down object. Full stop. Next one. If you want to select any expected text from drop down, if you want to select any expected text from drop down, we need to use below command. If you want to select any expected text from drop down, we need to use below command. What is that one? Yeah. Select by visible text. That is, you guys are put in box. Select by visible text. That is, you guys are provide inside of the box. Okay, done now? Done now? Yeah. If you want to call the above command inside of the code, if you want to call the above command inside of the code, if you want to call the above command inside of the code, we need to call through, we need to call through select object name. We need to call through select object name. We need to call through select object name. Okay. Yeah, note. Note. We need to provide the expected text within the command. We need to provide the expected text within the command. For example, sales manager. Okay, inspect the element inside of the DOM. Sales manager is there. You need to get the sales manager. The sales manager you need to provide inside of the command. Okay, done now? Next line. If you want to select, if you want to select any element through index wise, if you want to select any element through index wise from drop down, if you want to select any element through index wise from drop down, we need to use below command. What is that one? Select by index. Put the box. You need to provide inside of the box. Okay, next line. In that above command, we need to provide the expected element position. In that above command, we need to provide expected element position. Clear? Expected element position. For example, IT manager is the fourth position. You need to provide 4. Okay. Yeah. Next line. If you want to select any element from drop down, if you want to select any element from drop down, if you want to select any element from drop down through value, comma, we need to use below command. Through value, comma, we need to use below command. Select by value. Select by value. Done now? In that above command, We need to provide the value in that above command. We need to provide the value from DOM. In that above command, we need to provide the value. Where you guys are get the value from? DOM. We need to provide the value from DOM. In that above command, Datu, in that above command, we need to provide the value from DOM. Is it clear? Clear? Yeah. Next one. If we want to select, next one. If we want to select multiple options, if we want to select multiple options from drop down, if you want to select a multiple options from drop down, we need to use is multiple method. We need to use is multiple method. Is multiple method. Yeah. Next one. By using above method, we are able to select one more options. By using above method, we are able to select one more option. Clear? Next one, how to handle the alerts. How to handle the alerts. Then, yeah, write down how to handle the alerts. If you want to, yeah, one step is missing in, what is that one? How to handle the drop down. How last one step you need to maintain, only one step. If you want to find any drop down, online guys, last step you guys are maintain last step. If we want to find any drop down, the tag name is always select inside of the DOM. The tag name is always inside of the find the alert. Kiran, if we want to find the alert, the tag name is always select inside of the DOM. Online guys unable to hear. That's why I said loud. Guys, voice is clear. Hello, voice is clear. Voice is clear. Now, guys. No. Breaking. Just a minute, online guys. Now it is clear. I think you guys are able to hear. Now it is clear. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now you guys are put the heading how to handle the alerts. If you want to handle the, if we want to handle the custom alert, if we want to handle the custom alert, we are able to use alerts concept. If you want to handle the custom alerts, we are able to use alert concept. Clear? Next one. Next one. Yeah. The alerts, we are unable to inspect. The alerts, we are unable to inspect. Why? Because the developer developed the alerts. The developer developed the alerts by using JSE. By using JSE. What is the JSE? Yeah. By using JavaScript executor. Okay. Next line. The type of elements we are unable to inspect. The type of elements we are unable to inspect. The type of elements we are unable to inspect. Full stop. Next line. If you want to click on OK or cancel in alert, if you want to click on OK or cancel in alert, if we want to click on OK or cancel in alert, we need to use below command. We need to use below command. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot accept. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot dismiss. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot accept. In bracket alert. In bracket accept beside bracket. Okay. Okay. You guys are able to understand? Okay. Yeah. Next one. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot dismiss. Hyphen cancel. Hyphen cancel. Got it, guys? Hyphen OK. Hyphen cancel. Okay. Hyphen OK. Hyphen cancel. The next one. By using above two commands, we are able to handle the alert box. By using above two commands, we are able to handle the alert box? By using above two commands, we are able to handle the alert box. Next one, if you want to send a data inside of the alert, if we want to send a data inside of the alert, we need to use below command. If we want to send a data inside of the alert, we need to use below command. What is that one? If we want to send a data inside of the alert, driver dot find. If we want to send a data inside of the alert, we need to use below command. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot send keys. We are unable, that's why I'm telling the point, first point. We are unable to inspect the alert. Why? Because the developer developed the alert by using JSE. Carefully, you guys are concentrate. Okay. Yeah. While sending the data in alerts, while sending the data in alerts, manually it is visible. While sending the data in alerts, manually it is visible. While sending the data in alerts, manually it is visible. Through code, the data is not visible in execution time. Manually it is visible, comma, through code, it is not visible while executing the code. Is it clear or not? Clear? Manually it is visible. Through code while executing the code, the time it is not visible. Okay. Yeah. Next one. If you want to get any text from alert box, if we want to get any text from alert box, if you want to get any text from alert box, we need to use below command. Now ask why it is not visible. See on the screen. You can see on the screen. When I click on the reset button, manually it is visible. When I send through code, that send data, that is not visible. See, when I send the data through code, that is not visible. Is it clear what I'm saying? If you want to get the text from any alert, we need to use below command. What is that command? Get a tester. Before driver dot switch to dot alert dot get test. Is it clear? That's it. Okay. I will provide the code in Google Classroom. Sorry. It is clear, everybody? Send data also is clear. Send data also is clear. Send data. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys. Done now? Okay. The next one. We are entered in main Gattam. The complete Selenium we are using XPath. XPath. XPath is two types. The XPath is two types. The first one is the absolute XPath. Second one is the relative XPath. Okay. XPath is two types. Absolute XPath and relative XPath. If you want to write a XPath for absolute, we need to use single slash. It is very, very, very important. What is the difference between the single slash and double slash? The single slash is represent absolute XPath. The double slash is represent which XPath? Relative XPath. Why we call relative XPath is nothing but, see, parent to child is there. Two parents is there. First parent related, not that one. Second parent. So second parent related information, that is we call relative XPath. Relative XPath means parent, grandmother. Okay. Relative XPath means my mother. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm calling relative XPath. Why you guys are laughing? Huh? So that is the difference between the absolute and the relative XPath. What is the difference between the single slash and double slash? Tell me. Single slash. The single slash is represent. Yes. The double slash is represent. Done. What is the absolute? For example, one child is there. That child related parent we are unable to find. Got it? One child is there. Child is the login button. The login parent we are unable to find. The time we need to take from root, that is absolute. The child related parent we are unable to find. The time we need to take from root, that is we call absolute XPath. If you guys are able to find the child related parent, that is we call relative. That is we call it dynamic XPath. Dynamic XPath. The dynamic XPath is specifically focused on specific element. Clear? Is it clear or not? How many types XPath? Absolute, relative. Clear that is? Okay. What is the absolute? For example, one child is there. One child is there. Okay. That child related parents I am unable to find. Clear? So the time what I need to do, I need to take from root child related complete information. That is absolute. If I want to find any element child, if you want to find any child parent, the parent this child related parent so that is relative XPath. So the relative XPath is the dynamic XPath. Dynamic XPath. Only this is applicable a specific element. Login, login. That's it. So that is we call absolute and relative. Now it is clear. Online. Yeah. Correct. That is your grandma is the absolute XPath. Okay. For example, I am unable to find your mother and your parents. I am unable to find. The time I need to take help of your grandma. So I am able to get Kirkir batch. Okay. Yeah. That is the absolute XPath and relative XPath. Absolute XPath and relative XPath. It is clear? Yeah. The syntax of the XPath. The syntax of the XPath. This is the syntax of the XPath. Tag name, attribute, value. This is the syntax of the XPath. It is clear? Okay. It is clear or not? I will make a XPath for one locator. Any type of XPath. You have an idea about the XPaths. You guys are able to handle any type of application. It is very easy. So I need to write a XPath for username. How many locators is there here? Class is there, ID is there, name is there. Okay, clear? Yeah. Now I will make a XPath for type, tag name. What is the tag name here? Input. And @ is common. Okay. Type equals to, within the single code you guys are provide email. This is the XPath. See, same I will copy. I will paste it here. One of one match. Only one element is match. See, the username is highlighted or not? See, one of two, it is not working. One of three, it is not working. See, which element is working? One of one, it is displaying. That element is working. This is we call relative XPath. This is we call any type of elements we are able to handle by using XPath. ID we are able to write. Yeah, I will make it here. How to write the XPath by using different element? ID, name, class name. Okay, ID, name, class name, type, text, and Arial, and placeholder, okay, label, any type of For example, locators is not there. So we are able to pick anything, text or anything. Okay. See, these are all locators we are able to use by using XPath. You have an idea about the XPath. You people are able to make a code easily. I will teach you clearly from tomorrow. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. What is the single slash double slash is clear. Okay. Leave it. Syntax of the this one you guys are leave it. I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Is it clear? Single slash double slash. Absolute and relative XPath. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Any doubt? Yeah, thus you can take right click on the checkbox and take the class.